These 3D shorts are getting millions of views on YouTube. And today, I'll show you how to create videos like these completely for free. Now open Cloud and click on the plus icon. Then upload this MD file here and just send it. Now Cloud will give us some killer video topics. If you want more ideas, simply type more. Now I like this topic, so I'll just copy it. Now open this GPT and paste the topic here. Then click on send. Now this GPT will first write the entire voiceover for us. So just copy it and open 11 Labs and go to text to speech. From here, select any voice you like. I'm going with this one. Then paste the entire voiceover text here and remove any unnecessary text. Then simply click on generate. Once it's ready, just download the audio. Now go back to GPT and type continue and send it. Now GPT will give us image generation prompts. So just copy the first image prompt and open Google Flow. Then click on new project and select image generation. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio and choose the Nano Banana Pro model. Now simply paste the first image prompt here and click on generate. Do the same with all the prompts and create all the images. Once the images are ready, click on these 3 dots and select animate. Now click on settings and select VO3 fast with the 9:16 aspect ratio. Now go back to GPT and type continue and send it. GPT will now write an image to video prompt for each image. Simply copy the first prompt and paste it into the first image to video prompt box. Then click on generate. Within seconds, your video will be ready. Simply download it and do the same with all the other images. If you run out of credits on Google Flow, you can use these websites instead and create videos for free using their free credits. And this is what the final video will look like.
That tiny hole in airplane windows helps keep you safe. Most people think it lets fresh air enter the cabin. Actually, it balances pressure between the window's glass layers. Airplane windows contain multiple transparent layers for added protection. During flight, cabin pressure becomes much higher than outside. The outer window handles most of this dangerous pressure difference. The tiny hole lets pressure equalize between inner layers. That prevents excessive pressure from stressing the window unnecessarily. It also helps control moisture that could cloud the window, so that tiny hole quietly protects you thousands of feet above.